Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Google Earth Engine platform to searching and download DEM datasets. First, you should log in this platform, and then after that you will find this screen and just go to the platform and the code editor here, and you can write your code here. Today, I will use my ROI. Demak Regency is one of district in Indonesia as my ROI. And if you want to show your ROI in the Google Earth Engine, just write the code add map at layer and make it as a center object. Your ROI as a center object and just run it. Okay, this is my ROI. And then we go to the data set here to find them or digital elevations model data sets that Google or engines provide for us, and go to all tags and write DEM here. So you will find 38 dataset here and click it, and you can find here. But today I will use the data from NASA SRTM digital elevations 30 meters spatial resolutions. And you can read about this data in the description menu. And this data is provided or available in 2000s. And if you familiar to write the code with JavaScript, you can write by yourself with copy this snippet and right here. And if you not familiar with the JavaScript code, you can just copy here and go here and copy it. And first, I will what is the elevation and slope aspect. And elevation is refers to the height of a point above a reference level, such as sea level. And what is slope? Slope is the degree of inclination or steepness of a surface. It can be measured in the degree or as a percentage. So a steeper slope means a greater change in elevation over a horizontal distance. And what is aspect? Aspects indicate the compass direction that a slope face. So which direction the slope face. And it is measured clockwise from north, with 0 degree being north facing and 90 degrees being its facings, and 180 degree is being south facing, and 270 degrees being west facing. So we will try to download these three data from our data sets or from the SRTMs data sets and just go here. So for elevations, just click the dataset and select the name bands. Here you can see that the band names is elevation. So just write here elevations for the band's name, and for slope just write the ee terrain dot slope and select the elevations. And for the aspect, just EE terrain dot aspect and select the elevations. Okay, and then just if you want to see it in the layer, or yeah, in the yeah, layers, just make it for this one is for slope, but if you want to see the elevations, just copy here for the visualization, and then for the aspect, just copy the aspect name. Okay, here's you can run it. So first you only have one layers, and now because I add three layers here, so you will find three layers here. Okay, okay, needs to clip with your ROI, so the visualization no need another area. Clip all dot clip with your ROI, similar with aspect dot clip with ROI, and run it again. Okay, now it's only in our area, and to make it more good in visualization, just make it 1090. And for the aspect, give the colors, we'll make it for class there. This is for node. Okay, so okay, 27 west spacing, yeah. Okay, apply it, and then for the slope, okay, this is the slope. Give the percentage, make it 5 class there. Apply it for the slope, and the last is for our elevations. Make it 3 class, I think it's enough. Okay, this is for our elevations. You can see that all in our area is flat, uh, elevation is flat, and this one is for the slope, so you can see, and this one for the aspect. So, and then how to download it? Okay, for download it, you just write the code export.image.to drive. Image you can change it by your wish. If you need elevation, just write elevation here. But if you need slope, you can write slope here. If you need aspect, you can write aspect here. So for the scale or the spatial resolution is 30 meters, and this one is for the max pixels that we can download. And for this the descriptions, what the name you want to give for this image, and the region is should be ROI, and this one is the GRS, this one for my area, and just run it. In the tasks menu you will find here, and you can change by your wish. Okay, I hope this tutorial will help you and make a new knowledge for you, and see you next time. Thank you very much.